Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language, click on the current one, and now pick the one that you would like to have your device in. So I will leave English US and then click on Start. Now you can put your SIM card if you want to, but I will skip it for now. You can obviously do it later. Agree to that. And now you have to connect to your Wi-Fi, so in my case it's HardReset.Info. The first one, give your device a few seconds to connect. And once it's connected, your device will check for some updates, so just be patient. It will take no longer than 2 minutes. Now you can copy your data from your previous phone, or you can set this Doogee as a new one, and this is what I will do, set up as new. And now you can log in with your Google account if you have one. You can also skip it or create a new one if you don't have Google account yet. So I will skip it for now. Yes, skip, you can definitely do it later. You can also add a name to your device, so let me name it HardReset. Click on Next. And now you can also add a fingerprint if you want to, but I will skip it for now. As with previous features, you can do it later. Same thing with pin pattern or the password. Not now. Skip anyway. It's definitely good to protect your phone, but we will do it later. Now you can pick some services of Google. Then click on I agree. And then you can also add some other email account if you want to, but I will also skip it. Now just come along with the information about wireless update. I have read, and also this one, and then click on accept and continue. And as you can see, that's all. Now you can change the wallpaper on your device, add some contacts, and put the SIM card, add fingerprint and all the others. So enjoy using your Doogee. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.